If you want to show 2 months in Google Calendar at the same time, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to do it. This is really helpful if you want to plan ahead, compare dates, or keep an eye on what's coming next without constantly switching views. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once Google Calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the View dropdown. Click that menu and choose Month. This will give you a full monthly layout in the main calendar area, which makes it much easier to see your schedule at a glance. Now here's the key part. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the mini calendar in the sidebar. This small calendar is what lets you view another month while keeping your main month visible in the center. You can use it to quickly jump to a different date or see what's coming up next without losing your place. If you want to move forward or backward, just click through the mini calendar and it will update your main view. So in practice, you're seeing 1 month in the main calendar, while the mini calendar helps you keep track of an additional month on the side. It's a simple trick, but it makes scheduling and planning much easier, especially if you manage meetings, events, or content deadlines. If you're organizing work, school, or personal events, this is a great way to stay ahead and avoid missing important dates. And if you want more Google Calendar tips like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.